In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best eBay promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for eBay promo code. Right here, search and select this website, which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. For example, if I want to get this promo code with 20% off my next order, all I have to do is select shop coupon code right here. And this is a discount code that I can copy right here and apply on my next purchase in order to get this discount right here. Also, going back to our main search right here, just let me reopen this tab. This is our main search on Google. As you can see, we have a lot of websites that we can get some promo codes, but you'll have to search for this one, which is voucher. And as you can see right here, we also have some vouchers that we can use. For example, we have this one with 10% off right here. And all I have to do is select this option where it says get voucher. And this is the code that I can use in order to get the discount on my next purchase, which is 10% off. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.